Hi guys, what's up? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Let's do Tron TRX quickly. I never trade with this asset. Uh, Weekly chart, okay. By the way, I have 16 years of experience on technical analysis. I know for sure what I said. It is not financial advice, it is my opinion only. Okay? Tron come from this area 15 cent to 33 cent, 34 cent. Okay? Maybe he pull back with the market, with the BTC. Okay? BTC in the support area. In my opinion, is gonna go up. Okay, it's very simple. You have resistance in 37 cent, you have another resistance in 45 cent. Okay, in my opinion, when the market and Ethereum go up, okay, when Ethereum break $5,000, in my opinion, Ethereum gonna go to $9,000, and it's gonna go to all-time high. Uh, 45 cent, around 45 cent, okay, but it's not it's gonna go easy to all-time high. Maybe we if the Ethereum gonna break 5,000, it's gonna go to 50 cent. Okay, you don't have any pattern here. It's gonna it's go easy to 45 cent. In my opinion, can go to 50 cent. So this TRX, a very slow play. Okay, to 45 cent, maybe to 50 cent. This Tron. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a like. If you want to trade with Bybit, you have link below. If you want to trade with Bitflix, link below. If you have any question, let me know. Maybe I'm gonna make for you chart and show you my opinion about any asset that you want. Have a nice day.